the LG V20 user here, and today I'm gonna give you guys my first impressions on the Roku streaming play that I got. I got the Roku Premiere 2018 version, and so I'm gonna give you guys my first impressions on it and stuff like that. So you guys are looking at a blank screen right now. I have the remote right here in my hand. This is what the remote looks like. It looks pretty nice. This is just your basic remote, so there's no voice function or nothing like that. So yeah, I have it on a TV station that I cannot get for some reason. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys something really cool that I like about this Roku remote. Guys, and do basic things with this remote. You guys have shortcuts to Netflix, Hulu, Sling TV, and Direct TV Now. You guys have your basic functions for all that there. Also, the one thing I like about this Roku streaming player, you just hit home right there. Bam. It loads it up the Roku right there. It loads it up. I have it powered through my TV, so I suggest you guys do that as well. The Roku player is over there. It's kind of hard to see, but the light is on. It's kind of hard to see, but the Roku streaming player that I have, the Roku Premiere 2018, it's been working great. It's been working great. And I'm still learning how to use the Roku system here. It looks pretty cool. You guys have all these channels here. You guys will have ads in here, so do keep it in mind. This is ad supported platform from Roku. I like the fact that as a Roku channel, you guys have a lot of free stuff on here. Just give it a second to load. It's kind of like their version of Netflix, kind of like their version of Netflix. You guys get free stuff here. So y'all guys have live TV as well in here. Nothing is loading. Yeah, lots of search for stuff as well. Everything plays like it's supposed to. You guys have options there. The remote itself is simple as hell. This is my first streaming player. It's my first Roku device ever, so it is what it is. I like it a lot. I think it's worth the money. This one supports 4K HDR and HD, so I like it a lot. It streams pretty good. The video. If you guys watch the movies, they play pretty good. It also depends on your internet connection as well. So do you keep that in mind? I had this connected to my hotspot on my phone, so currently my hotspot is started right now. So, but it still plays pretty good as well. It buffers here and there, but that's because of my internet connection. If you guys have great internet, this will be great for you. This would be great if you guys have high-speed internet. If you guys have cable internet, this would be great. This would be great. This is great for cutting the cord. This is great for cord cutters. This is one of these devices that you guys need to have if you guys are trying to cut cable. Roku is one to get, and stuff like that. The TV store is powered by Fandango and all that. The movie store is powered by Fandango. You guys have the settings here. You guys got networks and all that. Themes. They got a couple themes here. Come on. They have themes here. They got the default theme, which is a purple. They got a decaf theme. They got a that one, and they got the other one. I'm not sure what this is, like a love of like a space theme or whatever. So these are all free right here. It comes with the Roku. You got themes here, but some of them you do have to pay for some of these themes, I believe. So they got a whole bunch of them. So Twin Peaks and all that. So keep scrolling down. You have to pay for them. I'm sure that you have to pay for them. So you get 36 things included and stuff like that. You guys have a screensaver right here. You guys can change the screensaver if you guys want. I don't like the screensaver. I just don't like it at all. There's a screensaver right there, guys. That's what the screensaver looks like. I personally don't like the screensaver. I don't like it at all. You will have ads on the screensavers, so do keep that in mind. You'll have ads on there. That's really just mobile screensaver. So that's basically what it does. They have screensavers on there. I'm not a fan of that. That's just me though. You have all different kinds of settings and stuff. You got all that there. I can't use the Roku app because if you guys want to use the Roku app paired to your Roku device, you guys have to have your phone and your Roku device on the same Wi-Fi network. They did that for security reasons. So you keep in mind if you guys want to use the Roku app on your phone and use it for your Roku streaming device, you guys have to have your phone and your streaming in your Roku device on the same Wi-Fi network. So you keep it in mind. So I can't use the Roku app right now. So I try to use it and I can't use it. I like the fact that y'all guys have shortcuts. Y'all guys click on Netflix. It'll take you right into Netflix and stuff like that. So it'll take you into Netflix. So that's pretty cool. And so if you're on a different channel and you guys want to go to Netflix, just hit Netflix and it'll take you right to the Netflix. So yeah, I mean, this is a great streaming device so far. I like it a lot. It's a tad bit laggy, I guess. I don't know why that is, but it is what it is, guys. I mean, for $30, this is not the best streaming player ever. This is like one of their lower end models from Roku. But this does support 4K, HDR, and HD content, so that's pretty cool. The 4K TV is pretty nice as well. So I mean, yeah. So if you guys want to cut the cord, get a Roku device. It's worth getting. I have one. I love mine a lot. I'm still using it though. If you guys know any Roku channels that I should try out, let me know and I'll be appreciative of that. So overall, my first impressions, this Roku thing is fucking great. It's great. I mean, it's great. For $30, you really can't go wrong. The remote is basic, but it is what it is. So yeah, I do like Roku a lot, and I'm happy that I got this thing. So there it is, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.